Okay na. Happy birthday, Daddy Maser. Happy birthday po.
Birthday, Daddy Master! I am Julia. I am Shannon. I am Jen. I am Jan. And we are Apo ni Carolina.
Happy 68th birthday!
Happy birthday po, Daddy Maser.
Hello, promo sir. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day now, ha? Kasi ano ito yung mga problema. Pag malipayon, ano yan ang adlaw para ay mo. Ayun, itag pinanunay itong ay iba pa. Enjoy your day, laanay. Imo yan ang adlaw, sanglit. Bayan na lang niyo tayo inom-inom dida kung may Okay, kamusta ka mo dito nga tanan? Happy birthday again. Enjoy.
Happy 60th birthday, Master. Ang naman to ba? Ikaw, wala ko ibang masisiringay mo. Tagan, kain mo kay nga panlawas, permanente. Ayaw yung ngalimot. Pag ampo permi, ating ginoo ko. Para ibang mabuli ka atong kundiya ba. Para aton gyapon eskwela tayo mo mga anak makatapos para makabulig-bulig ya pa iyo unta maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ito 68th birthday ko dito makurit pag-abot ito nga pero ito nga edad ta alitaw ito ni sila tagang kapauntahin lugang ba na mo edad 30 years pa para mag-enjoy kitahin halaba pa ginabuhi. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy day to you. Happy day to you.
Hello, Tito. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you good health and happy life with tita tapos iti mo mga anak. Proud ako ha imo nga tatay kay na-provide ka mang good ha imo family. Pero ayun ito kabara ka kay sunod. Ada naman ni Windy ta si Winpol. Ulit ako, happy birthday. Yung malipoy komodo, sayang ko rin ako. Basta mo, gusto ko nga da. Basta mo lado, stay guwapo. Pero may kaman ko, di rin ka man halata nga 60 na. Balita ako, happy birthday. Yan, advance happy birthday kay hapon kan, Winpol. Bye, may trabaho pa.
Diba, Daddy Master, I love you.
Happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Ay, kita ko birthday mo raw. Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello! And happy birthday! Kamusta ka na? Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. And God bless you.
Happy birthday. Ang prayer ko ay sana'y mas maging malusog, maging masaya, at mas maging maunlad. Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and once again, mula po sa aking puso, isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye!
Mwah!
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Share with you something it's found in the book of Psalms, the 92nd Psalm, 14th verse. It says, "I will keep you fruitful even in old age, fresh and green." So I'm not going to say how old you are, because really, you know, if that promise is real, then you never really get old, right? Happy birthday. See ya.
I just wanted to say, happy birthday, surprise! Sana naging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday po, and all the best. God bless.
I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. And don't forget to pray to God. Give thanks. Thank you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ng inyong health. I love you.